Okay guys, good morning everybody. So for this video, I would like to show you, this is an original product, a lazy white cream, okay? This is formulated from France. Hindi ito katulad ng ibang product na fake, kaya parang wala siyang effect. So I will show you kung gaano siya ka-effective. So this is my face, walang makeup, as in wala lahat. So we are trying to put the product just for you to check. So ito yung packaging niya, naka-sealed pack ito. So sa mga gusto mag-order, kindly message me directly. And we do ship nationwide. So let's try it. So I just apply it to my face like that. O, diba? Para siyang milk, guys. Very easy to apply. And as you can see, it will cover all of your pores, discoloration, and at the same time, this is a glutathione. Glutathione cream. So, hindi lang siya basta i-conceal niya yung mukha mo at the very first use. At the same time, guys, it has vitamins for your skin. Yan. Very beautiful, very fine. Ayan. See? Zero pores. Yan po ang pinagkaiba ng original na ganitong product. So, sa mga gusto nito mag-order, guys, please message me directly dahil limited lang ang stock. And just for you to know, available na rin yung bago nating item. Same brand. I'm gonna show you this one. Yan.
Yeah, where are you?
So, this is more concealing compared to this one. But they're both brands. So if you're interested to buy such product like this, please message me directly and definitely we ship nationwide. So thank you very much for your time watching here this vlog and have a beautiful day. See you soon.